Okay, class. Today in this lesson, we are going to talk about gene mutations. Upon completing this lesson, you should be able to answer these questions. Number one, what is a gene mutation? Number two, how do a deletion and a substitution of bases result in a different amino acid sequence or in polypeptides? Three, why do some mutations not result in a changed amino acid sequence? 4. What are the causes of gene mutations? And finally, number 5, how is cell division genetically controlled? This concludes my test. Thank you.